Hey, good morning. It's Todd, your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Partly sunny, partly cloudy day here in Pass Christian, Mississippi. You can see way down there in the distance is the Silver Slipper Casino, where we're here on a project. Gentleman's building 8 identical homes targeted at the VRBO, vacation rental. You can see there'll be a lot of glass facing the Gulf, walkout balconies. We're doing Fortified Certified Gold here. Of course, as the roofer, we're doing Fortified metal roofs. As you can see, it's sitting way down there on the ground. We had the truck come Thursday with 3 roofs worth. Siding guys are here getting started. We've got the balconies here temporarily waterproof. We're going to be putting a walkable waterproof coating with a high adhesion and wind rate. Guys just getting here to put the flashings on appropriately, get it all ready to go, get it set, kind of working among the other trades. Really just getting going here. It'll start tightening things up, but we'll keep you updated. See these come together. They'll be beautiful properties overlooking the Gulf of Mexico. Again, until next time, Sunbelt Roofs, Pass Christian, Mississippi.